There are three different tools for converting from a solid body to surfaces, and these are the offset surface, delete face, as well as knit surface. With the knit surface command, you can simply come in and select any series of faces, and this will just convert over the face. I can also select all three or any combination of the faces. And one important thing to point out is that with this tool you're going to get closed edges when you choose multiple surfaces. So if I wanted to use a tool like the untrim surface, for example, I'm not going to be able to do it since these are currently knit together. So if I wanted open edges in that case, I can use a series of knit surfaces or offset surfaces. The next tool here is delete face, and just the top option is going to convert this over. The other two will keep this as a solid. So if I delete out the bottom face, for example, now the solid body is gone and I'm left with this delete face. And you can see once again at the top, this is a closed edge and this is an open edge. So for example, if I want to use a tool like the extend surface, this will work for this open edge. Next is the offset surface, and this, if you set to 0, will turn to copy surface, and this will work exactly the same as using the knit option. If I select all three, it's going to knit these together. If I leave one unchecked, for example, this top edge will once again be an open edge. And then I can always bring in that top face and have that be an open edge as well. And that might be useful for something like if I wanted to increase the size of this. I could increase this diameter by using the offset and then untrim the top surface. And then simply trim away whatever I need. And then I can once again close this up and create a solid body. But that's how you would take a solid body and turn any of those faces into a surface, or turn the entire model into a series of surfaces.